could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? All of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed, might need a breather, got lost in the B-roll, let all the window to learn how the world goes, we didn't know how to move on.
Hi guys! So, ito tayo ng Huashan 1914 Creative Park. Thank you. Guys, I got my Cremia ice cream. Guys, this is so yummy. Harap. Oh god. Ang miss ko anak ko. It's so creamy. Hindi siya matamis. The chocolate is really like chocolate. And I like it. Siguro next time, I'll just get the vanilla. Because the chocolate kind of overpowers it. So I can't taste the vanilla right now. But otherwise, it's really good. Malakas yung chocolate flavor. So hindi ko malasahan yung vanilla. I feel that the vanilla would be masarap din. So next time, I'll just get the plain vanilla. It's just right inside the Zhongshan MRT. Guys, we're gonna go to Huashan Creative Park and we're coming from Zhongshan. So we had to transfer. Actually, malapit lang siya. It's supposed to be just two stops, no? Pero may transfer midway. Ayan guys, so lilipat tayo. Papunta tayo ng Huashan 1914 Creative Park. And this is the transfer station. So, okay. Right behind me is the MRT station, and you just saw that we exited exit 1. So we're gonna walk for 400 meters to get to the Huashan 1914 Park. And yeah, walk along with me. Parang elementary school itong nandito sa kanan. Mga boys na naglalaro. So tawid lang tayo and we're already here. I'll show you.
Time enough for us to
I'll show you the map of the whole park, and it's kind of big. I don't know where we are. We're here. Zhongshan A Road. So let's go continue exploring the place.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush.
Walk farther, makakarating kayo dito sa Creative Park. It's like an open space. It's a lawn where you can sit down and rest. Guys, sobrang sarap ng hangin, ano, ang lamig. Tapos talaga ang gusto ko dito, marami silang park. Tapos pwedeng umupo at magpahinga. I think this is a very good place for mga senior citizens na gustong travel. Maganda dito kasi presko yung hangin, maraming parks, and as I said, maraming upuan. So tignan nyo ha, nagpapahinga yung mga tao dito, nagpipiknik sila. Guys, upo tayo dito sa puno. Sige, upo tayo. Na-excite ako. So guys, sinan nyo, ang daming nakaupo, diba? Papahinga, may mga aso, ganyan. Ayoko lumapit kasi may mga dogs. May takot ako sa pets. So yun guys, mupo muna tayo dito sa ilalim ng puno. Right in front is a creative park. Dito naman sa likod is the Huashan 1914 Park. Ayan. So, pwede itong puntahan, ano. Maghanap picnic eh. Sana nakakita ko ng 7-Eleven para humanap muna ako ng food. Madala ko dito. But, yeah, anyway, okay lang. Nag-ice cream din naman ako. Super ganda. Natutuwa ako na maaliwalas. Ang lamig. Palit ako ng damit eh kasi nainita naman ako noong umaga. But ngayon naman ang lamig. Grabe talaga. Sarap. Super.
Maybe I made some mistakes. Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the best made.
Guys, it's 5:10 and they're already closed. I missed it. It's 10 to 5. Guys, it's 10 to 5, but I kind of missed it because it's now 5:12.
Same shirt that day. Maybe I don't think the same. Maybe you showed up too late. I left my shoes by the
Guys, it's a local brand.
and I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone.
So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Yabi Kitchen. This is an Asian restaurant inside Elite Nanshi Mall. At kitang-kita sa labas, nandun lang tayo sa tapat ng Mitsukoshi Mall and the Zhongshan Linear Park. Kaya nga pala ako kumain dito sa Yabi Kitchen, guys. It's because bago ako pumunta dito sa Taiwan, nakapanood ako ng isang Taiwanese drama. I don't know kung napanood nyo na yun sa Netflix, ano. But this drama is about cooking and they specialize in Taiwanese curry. Tapos parang pag may special guests na pumupunta dun sa restaurant, may isang beses na yung VVIP, what they served Southeast Asian cuisine. Kaya ang dinner natin ngayon, guys, ay Southeast Asian milk tea at beef rendang. And syempre guys, hindi pwedeng mawala ang fragrant white rice. Kaya ayan na, let's eat guys! Kain tayo!
If we could run could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? All of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road.
Alam nyo ba guys, ang dami pang items dun sa menu nila na gusto ko sanang orderin, pero alam ko hindi ko naman kayang maubos lahat. Yun kasi yung hirap pagka solo traveler ka. Eh pag may kasama ka, pwede kang mag-order ng iba-ibang putahe tapos marami kang matatry. So ito guys, before tayo bumalik sa hotel, daan muna tayo sa isang 7-Eleven store. Dito ako sa likod ng Elite Nancy naglakad para maiba naman yung view, makakita naman ako ng ibang happening dito sa Zhongshan district. Ang dami-dami pang mga restaurants dito sa likod pala. Hindi ko naman kasi ito naikot agad kasi nga konti lang naman yung days na meron tayo dito. As I was walking pala, chinecheck ko yung Google and ang tataas ng ratings ng mga restaurants dito. So next time bumalik ako sa Taiwan, magstay ulit ako dito sa area ng Zhongshan tapos ikutin ko naman this side of Zhongshan. Alam nyo ba guys, itong street na to, yan o, yung may green paint sa road. Kung napanood nyo yung hotel room tour ko, at every time binubuksan ko yung bintana, ito yung road na nakikita ko sa bintana ko sa Tangko Nancy Hotel. So guys, I'm here at the 7-Eleven store. Labas tayo ngayon, magpapa-foot massage. Excited na ako. Sakit kasi ng paa ko kakalakad. So, let's go. Guys, anong oras na ba? 9 o'clock? 9:15? And, naisip pa natin na magpa-massage. So, nag-Google search lang tayo. Then, ayan na. Nakikita ko na yung may paa, oh. There, foot massage. Punta tayo. This is it. Wow. No, that's all
Okay.
good. Very good. Good. Guys, kakatapos lang ng massage ko. Inantok ako. Hindi rin ako masyado nakatulog kaya tinaantok ako. Kasi may mga dumating na ibang nagpapamassage. But ang sarap! Dapat talaga pag mag-travel, isama sa itinerary yung foot massage. As in, kung nagawa ko lang to kagabi, kung nagawa ko lang siya kagabi, feeling ko mas may energy ako na maglakad today. So, balik tayo sa hotel, guys. I'll be ending the vlog here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!